Welcome, here I've got CYRUS CS40 and I'm gonna show you how to change image quality in the camera app at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button here to open it, and as you can see for now we are in the standard photo mode, so let's go to more advanced options. We can do it by tapping on this button here at the left corner in the bottom. And as you can see, it gives us access to advanced camera settings. For now we are in the general settings. We can pick also the photo and the video settings, so let's change it to the photo now. And from here we have to slide a little bit down to the picture size. By tapping on this option we can pick the quality of our picture. As you can see, this is the pretty wide spectrum we can pick, so this is how it changes here. And of course I suggest you to keep this on the best possible quality, which is 16 megapixels here. So this is how it works. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.